Hey guys, happy Tuesday. We got another kit to look at. This is from 1994 Sox and Martin GTX from Revell. Can't really get the box to stand up. Oh, here's our front tires. Our drag slicks. Our chrome tree. Our instructions. Our windows. And our decal sheet, which is pretty much toast. Hopefully I can find another one. Here's our body, our nice GTX body. Really good shape, not warped, no flash. Here's our dash, our interior tub, our bucket seat, our radiator. Here's our chassis. Here's our rear end, front end pedals. Here's our reds, tail lights. Here's our header, got really nice set of headers. Our wheel backs, our engine. Here's our hood, radiator shroud, exhaust. Looks like the top of the dash. Some more reds. I may just build this as a stock or custom Dodge. But yeah, I like the body, real nice body. Good window trim. Shout out to Scale Model Outlaw, who I got this kit from. Well, we're going to start building this right away. But I can still build it to look like a competition car. Maybe I can find another decal sheet. There's the side of the box. Yeah. Here's a little update on the House bracer that I'm building. Just got to do the decals. And if you want to use the spoiler, it says to cut these fins off. But I didn't notice that until I had already glued everything together. So I think I'm going to leave it just the way it is, without the wing on it. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Just got to decal it. Put some future floor polish on it. Call it good. Put the tail light, or the brake lights in. Fun, easy little build. Other than that, you guys all have a good one.